All right, the tip of the week this week. Are you ready for it? If you have any appliances in your house and they break, they're gonna break on a holiday. Just the tip of the week. I woke up this morning, my wife's using the dishwasher. She calls me and, Chris, come see the dishwasher. Water all over the floor. It's filling up, won't stop filling up, and then the seal's leaking, and it's just everywhere. So that's how I spent my Memorial Day morning, getting a new dishwasher and changing it. But anyway, let's get to the real tip of the week. Sawdust and Wood, thanks for watching. Welcome to Sawdust and Wood, and thanks for joining me again for the tip of the week. Today, the tip of the week is how to make your own pocket holes. You don't need a Kreg Jig. I do own one, but you do not need it to make pocket holes, and I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to do it. Alright, so I'm going to put pocket holes in these two 2x4s right here. I got three different bits. I got this drill bit is a 3/8 on my drill. Then I got a 13/64 right here. Phillips head screwdriver because I'm just using these little sheetrock screws just for the video purpose. Okay, so this is the screw I'm gonna use, and I want it to at least be, you gotta kind of measure the depth that you want with your screw. So about right here at the top, I can just mark it. I got a little line right here. I can take the drill, and I got the big bit on right here, and I'm just going to drill straight in, not all the way through. I got a little hole. Take this bit off, and now I'm gonna put the smaller bit in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come down on an angle right here, and I'm not gonna go all the way through. Now, this is what I got. You got the big drill hole, and if you can look in there, you can see where the screw's gonna go. I can set the screw right here, put our piece on. And there you have it. Got it recessed. Give you a side shot of it. And it's that easy. No Kreg Jig needed to make pocket holes. Well, thanks for watching the tip of the week video. It's super easy to do. You don't need a Kreg Jig. But anyway, let me know down below if y'all enjoying the tip of the week so far. Got a lot of cool tips coming forward. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Just want to thank everybody for watching, and pass this video along and help out anyone you can with this video, because the do-it-yourself guy is a dying breed, and we need to pass this knowledge on to the kids, to anyone who wants to learn it. And I love sharing all this information with y'all, and y'all have a great day.